Look at that. And there's more. What is this, Dad? Leg crab. Wow. Big. And then some shrimps. There you go. Corn. Clams. There you go. Okay, let's start. Hirap naman i-open pala. I-open mo nga ako. Hirap i-open din. Very nice.
I know it's cold out here.
Eris, Ursa, and Errol miss this one. But Eris doesn't like it. Eris loves it, but Errol and Ursa doesn't like it. We went to concert for what do you call that on that? K-pop. Mukbang. We're having some mukbang. Very good. We're gonna come back before we're gonna go home.
Everything good?
That's very good. Thank you so
Wonderful.
much. Yeah. Oh, this one. I can use this one. There. Wala kayo maitapon ng ano, kahit ng meat lang ba. So we're gonna take every meat inside the leg crab. Then pinch, pinch, pinch. Clams. Clams, clams. What are you doing there, Dad? Mukbang, mukbang. Very good. We're here at Seattle. By the ocean harbor. Seattle Harbor. Where's the one that I can... Oh, yummy, yummy. How are you doing there, Dad? Hirap palang mag-vlog, no? I thought it's easy. Sarap. Sarap. Grabe ang meat, Dad. It's so tasty and you can tell that it's really fresh. Kasi yung hindi fresh, parang sagi ba? Ang meat. Tahimik ka dyan, Dad, ha? Parang sinipon naman ako sa excited ng ano ko. Ng aking seafoods ba. I have to use this hammer. Then a small, tiny fork to remove those meat. Mga mahirap na area ba. But the food is really affordable somehow. Yummy. And there you go. Let's try corn, maybe this one. Hmm? Very good. Hmm. Ganito pala mabukbang. God. I think we'll have to shut it now for now. Bye-bye for now. Thanks.